Welcome back to the channel. Today we are hopefully gonna hit a place I've been before, but we're gonna figure it out when we get in there. But we are in downtown Tempe and we're gonna go get some lunch.
Yeah, come get lost with us as we get some tacos. When you're parking downtown, you gotta pay to play. All right, so there's the Fuzzy Taco. That's where we're heading. You see it's sort of connected to this downtown interval. It's pretty cool. A little nice downtown area. Check out Waste Management's building. That's a big waste management. There's a lot of waste in that waste management building. Oh, check out, there's a plane coming.
Okay, so this hill, apparently it's a big tradition for Arizona State University students to hike up it during like the November, fall time of year. And they hike, oh look, two planes coming in hot.
Goose, tell me what to do, Goose.
And they're both Southwest.
They are.
Fascinating.
Focus.
I think one's circling and the other one's landing.
She's totally sidetracked by the
They both have their landing gear out. They have multiple runways. Apparently Phoenix is one of the busiest airports in America. In case you didn't know, we learned that at trivia. But anywho, so this hillside, you can hike all the way up to the top. I forget what it's called, but apparently it's a big tradition for Arizona State University students to hike up it with flashlights and stuff. The first time I was here for a conference, our hotel was actually like maybe situated like kind of like to the right over here, and we could see it from my room. And so we were just kind of like watching from a distance. We're like, those lights seem like they're moving up the hill, and sure enough we found out that it's like an annual tradition for the students to hike up it on a certain night of the year.
And if you've never been here, Arizona State University is literally right on the other side of the mountain, so that's probably why they hike up this mountain.
Yeah, it's a really pretty area down here. So
let's go get some tacos. So this is the most descriptive map I've ever seen in my life.
So descriptive.
Doesn't tell you what's in any of the buildings, just that they are buildings.
It looks like they're doing a lot of construction on it too.
I think we're going into building D, in case you were wondering.
It looks different from the last time I was here, I'm not gonna lie.
Fuzzy taco.
And I think we have to go around to get to the entrance of it.
America.
We can go in here.
So we were looking for a place that Nacy had ate before, and this apparently isn't it. So we're gonna try a different taco shop, but enjoy the clips of Fuzzy Taco Shop. I love the name. So last time Nacy stayed here, she stayed at the Mission Palms, which is the hotel she was talking about earlier. It's right across the street, and it's like right in the midst of downtown. It's kind of nice over here.
Oh, I think it's this place.
So you found it?
Only took me going through about like 10 different taco restaurants to finally remember what the name was. I remember what it looked like inside, but I did not for the life of me remember what it was called. And granted, it's been almost 5 years. So, but the food was good. I do remember that. So it says it's about a 3-minute drive, but I'm gonna see how, it should literally be right around the corner because we walked from our hotel. So.
And it's called the Rusty Taco, which she hasn't said yet. So Fuzzy Taco, Rusty Taco, not that far off.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find it. Rusty Taco. Check out that building. It's massive.
I don't remember. This is definitely not it. I don't know what kind of tacos I want though. What do you want to drink?
Just Dr. Pepper or whatever.
Okay, so this definitely was not the place that I was thinking of, but the food sounded good, so we're gonna give it a try.
Yeah, let us know in those comments. Should we eat at the fuzzy taco or should we have went with the rusty taco? Let us know.
What's the choice, fuzzy or rusty?
Fuzzy has sexual innuendos, I'd go that way. But here we go. So there is a bar inside the restaurant, in case you're interested. It's a little bar area. There's an AC trying to find out which taco place he's actually trying to eat at still.
If they even still exist.
That's a good question. Let us know in the comments if you know of any Tempe, Arizona good taco places. Maybe one of those is the ones that she ate at.
Okay, so we got a nice little spread of tacos here. So the first one I'm gonna dive into is the fried shrimp. I think it's dynamite. It's the dynamite shrimp. And it's fried shrimp and it's supposed to be a little bit spicy. So cheers. The shrimp is really nicely fried, really nicely seasoned. It's spicy, y'all. It's spicy, but it's good. It's a good kind of heat. I like that a lot. I'm curious to see what Gary thinks, since he also got the same taco, so we'll pop it over to him in just a minute.
So the first thing I'm gonna try is the Bang Bang shrimp one. The one thing to notice too is that it's not actually dipped in Bang Bang shrimp sauce. I guess it's not right. It's not like dipped in the hot sauce. It's just kind of laid on top. So it's a little bit different than I'm used to when it comes to Bang Bang shrimp, but let's give it a try. The shrimp's really tasty. The avocado gives it a nice coolness to it. The coleslaw is really well made. I like the coleslaw. The one thing I will say though is it does have a bite to it, so it's definitely a little bit spicy and definitely banging. So let me see what I got for next.
Okay, next up I have the rusty taco, which is a like pulled pork with pineapple, cilantro, some jalapenos. So I think this will also be a little bit spicy. So, but hopefully like a sweet spicy. The flavors all definitely blend together. It's not quite as spicy as the shrimp one, but it's tasty. Definitely like a little bit of sweet heat behind it. So, and the next one.
All right, so I'm gonna try the fried chicken taco. It's got some slaw on it, some fried chicken, some cilantro. It's not bad. It's like a very traditional fried chicken. It does have a little bit of jalapeno in there, but it's not nearly as spicy as the shrimp one. And not so bad.
Okay, so the last taco I ordered is the fajita taco. So it's just steak and fajita veggies and some pico. Not bad. The steak's a little spicy. The veggies are nicely grilled. It actually has more heat than the rusty one. So the shrimp is probably the spiciest, followed by the fajita, and then followed by the rusty. So those are my tacos. Let's see what Gary thinks about his tacos.
All right, so the last taco I have is the barbecue pork taco. I'm super excited for this one. We actually got an extra one, thanks to the chef for miscounting. The pork is nice and tasty. It's super moist. Really, really good. The barbecue sauce is a little bit of a sweeter barbecue sauce, which I think will go good with all the other hot tacos that I got. And the coleslaw, again, it's kind of the same coleslaw across the board, but it's a solid coleslaw. So that concludes our tacos. Let's go and get those nachos and we'll come and get you.
Okay, next up we've got the nachos, and we've got steak nachos, and they're pretty basic. It comes with like cheese, pico, steak, nothing like crazy. So cheers. It's very simple, but the cheese sauce is really good. The steak is well seasoned, and the pico just kind of gives it that little layer of heat that it needs. So yeah, I definitely recommend these.
So we did get an order of the nachos. It basically, like Macy says, it's got pico, meat, and some nacho cheese. So I'm not super impressed on the nachos, kind of missing like sour cream and some of the other components you normally see. But let's give them a try. Steak is fantastic. The nacho cheese is a good nacho cheese. The pico gives it a nice little crunch and a little bit of kind of like a wet sweetness to it. I really would like a little bit of sour cream or something though, and maybe some salsa on top to kind of give it a little bit of liquid in there on top of the cheese. But overall, a really good nacho. So we're gonna finish up our meal, and then we will come and get you on the outside for our final thoughts. So they do have an outside seating area here, in case you're interested. Outside bar sitting area. I don't know how well you can see it on the video, but there's the A on top of that mountain that we were talking about a little bit earlier. Pretty cool. Arizona pigeons, yeah.
So that was a tasty lunch / dinner.
At Rusty Taco.
It wasn't bad. It was not the taco place that I was looking for. I did text my friend Madison, who came on the trip with me a couple years ago when we came down here, and I was like, hey, do you remember what that taco place is? A totally other taco place on the other side of Tempe, like literally, like whatever. It's all good.
Stay tuned for after and we'll give you a sneak peek of it.
Yes. And so anyways, but this place actually was a nice little hidden find.
Yeah, the tacos are really tasty. You do order them a la carte, I guess, individually. So it's kind of up to you of how many you want to eat. The nachos were a little bit disappointing, but the tacos were really good.
The meat was all flavored really nicely, and I left full. I mean, I'm not hungry anymore, so there is that, but...
Right, yeah, the tacos were good. That's what I'm saying. The tacos were really tasty.
And it was a little pricey. It was about $45 for our meal with 2 drinks, and we ended up getting like 6 tacos and an order of nachos, so...
Yeah, and we spent $45 last night at the taco joint at Portobello's.
Yeah.
So you want to check that out? Portillo's, sorry.
Portillo's, yeah. I don't know how to say it.
Me either.
But anyways, like we were saying, the place was actually really nice. So if you're in the downtown Tempe area and you're looking for some tasty tacos, give them a try.
And there are a ton of taco joints around here, so...
So many. Like every block is like a different taco place.
So if you like this video, hit that like button.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come get you guys for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, Baby Ruth?
What?
Bye. So you know that waste management building I talked about at the beginning? Well, there's Loco Patron. That's the restaurant Nacy was looking for.
That is it.